Added a box and spare tire. Got the box and spare tire off. I'm gonna take this angle iron off to where I can get to the outer boards to run that wire properly. About to take the foam cannon to it. Okay, I got it as prepped as I need it. And I'm just gonna use whatever partially empty cans of black I have laying around. I mainly just wanted to redo the lights and wiring. Just gonna touch up on black to keep it from surface rusting more. Not too bad. Good use for some partially empty paint cans. So it ain't terrible, it ain't good, it ain't terrible, but I gotta use it tomorrow and I want to put a few more coats, but since I need to use it, I need to get all the wires and lights back in so it's functional. I'll come back to it and hit it with some good paint one day and change out all the boards. And that'll be about it until I replace the boards on it. Since I have one of these here grease guns, I'll grease the bearings. Got working lights.